We have officially moved into our new house and I get to unbox my Cricut Venture. Y'all, I have been wanting a Cricut Venture since it came out last year with 2023, and I finally got one. I finally get to unbox it and actually use it. So let's unbox the Cricut Venture and let's kind of set up the office a little bit. Okay, so I have the stand because you actually do need the stand. You can use the table, but I just think it's better just to go ahead and spend extra money on the stand. And then the Cricut Venture is in this box. So I haven't fully decided where I want to put it. In my mind, I kind of know how I want the office to look. So I've already ordered a table, well, 2 tables actually. One to craft on, and then one to put my big heat presses on, because I do have the Cricut Auto Press, and I have a regular commercial heat press too. So I ordered 2 tables. They'll get here today. But I'm gonna go ahead and open this, and I think I'm gonna put it back here in this corner. But of course, I'll probably change it by the time I get my tables in. So let's do the stand first. I gotta bring y'all closer. So this is what the stand looks like in the box. Everything Cricut comes with this little instruction packet. But let's take it out. Go through the little setup manual. I'm not one to follow instructions, but I don't want to put this together wrong. So we're gonna follow instructions today. Yes, I'm out of breath. I'm tired. Let me see. My watch probably said I did a workout too. I don't know. I will. Alright. So number 1 is to lay everything out, which I've done. You got the base table, the 2 legs, the middle rods, the 2 catcher mats, and there's supposed to be a little tool somewhere. So let me make sure I find that. It's 2 of them. Hold on, let's make sure I got everything else. Oh. That's it. Yep, they're right here. Still take to the styrofoam. One, number 2. Okay, so the first step is to, so it looks like it's saying don't take the styrofoam off, leave it on. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that on, and then I'm gonna take these 2 hooks and slide them in. We got the table with the styrofoam still on it. Okay, so we're gonna take the hooks and slide them in this way. So we're gonna take the hooks and put them in that way. Okay, first step done. We'll take a step. Okay. So we got those in, and then we're gonna put the legs on, and they have arrows on them. Set that down. Okay. So I wish I had a table to set this up on, but that's okay. So you just slide on. Oh, that's easy. 1, and then got this other one. 2. Okay, so that's done. It's getting heavy too. Okay, the legs are on, and then we have the little crisscross thingies. So that goes on, and then you twist them. So tip 1 goes across here. This is the Christmas thing. Put that in there. I'm gonna put this on here. So we're gonna put this here. What is it? Oh, it goes here. No wonder I can't get it in. I'm just gonna screw them a little bit just to get it in place. All right. Now I need instructions. Is to flip it over and take all the styrofoam off. There we go. So we have elastic bands on, styrofoam, and then let's go down here. So now, let's see. Oh, this goes here. Here. So this holds the rod in place. And then you got one part back there. Okay. Next. Okay. Got that. That might be the other side, no problem. So this goes in here. These going here. Okay, I see it. Let's see what's next. Got the baskets on. I did that. Oh, now we just put the machine on. So let's see. Is this close? Oh yeah. There's a hook right here. Oh, you just push it up. Okay. Show you the side view. So now we gotta do the venture. Okay, so we've unboxed the Cricut Venture stand. So now we're gonna unbox the Cricut Venture. I've already taken the tape off, and I kind of opened this before we moved already, so I remember a little bit how to do it. This thing is huge, And I'm using a chair because I'm tired of bending on the floor. This is the Venture. Let's take out the box. Okay. So, let's get this out. So it goes here. Alright, so let's look. Oh yeah, got a slot for it. To lock the wheels. Oh, it's in place. Okay, so I got that on there. Then we got this box. And just like the antenna thing. I'm going to have to find instructions because I don't remember. Oh, it's on here. So, has the instructions. It looks like it goes on the back side. Let's look. Sit this down for a minute. I don't know. Let me find instructions. Okay, so I did figure it out. So you have this thin part in the back that kind of keeps the vinyl together and in place, and this thing goes right here on the side of it. And there it is. So pretty sure this is gonna stay up because I'm using this today. And when you order the Cricut Venture, it comes with the big vinyl already. I don't even know the size of it. I think it's 24 by 24 maybe. I gotta check the mat. But it comes with some smart vinyl. You don't need a mat for a smart vinyl. Let's see how many rolls. Oh, this is one really big roll. It's as long as me. So this is what it comes with. I think it's about 5 feet because I'm 5'4". So it's about 5 feet of smart vinyl comes with it. Now, if you've been thinking about getting the Cricut Venture, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be doing some projects this week, and I'm gonna share, you know, how I like it, if I like it, which I better because I've never not liked the Cricut machine. But make sure you subscribe, and we're gonna make some stuff. And if you have a project you want me to try out, drop it in the comments below. Bye, y'all.